All right, hey guys, welcome to another video. Of course, right in front of us we have the Volkswagen Arteon. This is the one I did the walk around review on, so if you guys want to see that, be sure to check out that video. So right now we're going to go on a quick POV drive and we're going to see what this Arteon is all about, because a lot of people wanted to know how this thing was. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to kind of find out. So right now what we'll do is we'll put the car in its eco setting and we'll kind of see what eco mode is all about. I don't think eco mode is going to be terribly performance driven. Obviously it's an eco mode, it's more for fuel efficiency, but overall, I mean, I'm very impressed with how this car is as far as aesthetic wise and functionality, but now drivability. Now that's one of the real questions, is how does this thing drive? It has 20-inch wheels and it does of course have the dynamic chassis control, so that is kind of there to soak up a lot of the bumps that this thing may create. And I will say I don't necessarily notice that there are 20-inch wheels on this car. I mean, it rides relatively smoothly, and that's to say a lot about this dynamic chassis control. Very much of a fan of this car though, and the looks wise, I mean, it looks awesome. But what I want to do now is I'll pretty much shut up and you guys will kind of just see how this thing will drive and hear it, and not listen to me talk. So we're not going to go incredibly fast today. We're just here to kind of just see how this car will drive. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video, guys. All right, so to pretty much sum that up, I want to say it's not really a fast car. But I don't think it's really supposed to be a fast car. I mean, it obviously has a little bit of sportiness to it. It's not a slow car, but by no means is it a really fast car. Of course, by having the Golf R turbocharger kind of engine setup, you'd expect it to be a little bit performance driven. But I want to say this thing, for what it is a fantastic car. It's a fantastic driver's car. And the sport mode doesn't throw you around, which is really, really nice. And the comfort mode really soaks up a lot of the bumps that are caused by these larger wheels. So overall, very impressed with the way this car drives, and I mean, I see myself down the road owning one. I don't think it would be my sporty car. I always need a sporty car, but this is a great commuter, and if you want to get there and have a little bit of fun, this is the car for you. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.